Samkara Restaurant and Garden Resort Hotel. These are their rooms. I guess on the left side is also some of the rooms. Ayun na si Abu. Parang living area. This one is a bahay kubo. Dito kami, sir. Thank you. Ito po ano to, accommodation din.
Dati po, ma'am.
Dati pero ngayon hindi na.
Oo,
okay. So ano naman yun nandun?
Function hall po, ma'am.
Function hall. Ito, function hall. Ito, sir. Pwede kaming pumunta doon.
Pwede naman po.
Tapos ang swimming pool ninyo?
Dito lang po, ma'am, pababa po.
Bakit amoy chlorine? Akala ko parang batis.
Nilinis po, ma'am, pag ano.
Nililinis. So, nilalagyan din pala ng chlorine. Ito,
nilinis lang, ma'am.
Ito.
Pero pag po yung marami may tubig na, wala na pong chlorine.
Okay. So, ngayon wala pang tubig.
Oo, ma'am.
Sige. So, very nature, no? Ang ganda. Thank you. Okay. So, we are here. Going inside our room. Yan. Maliit lang siya. Naabo, no? Merong parang day bed. May TV. May aircon.
This is
the view. Wow. Yan. Itong panalo. Yan. Diyan magkakape. Tapos may rice fields. Yan. Yung swimming pool, wala pa siyang tubig. Kaya amoy chlorine kasi nililinis. So, yun ang swimming pool. Malalim din, no? Yan.
Bukal.
May mga bibe, ducks.
Pwede tayo mag-dito shop.
Oo. Yan. Tapos, may function hall. Ito ang aming bed for tonight. And we got this for 5,000 pesos for 2 per night. May lalagyanan din ng gamit. Merong kettle, water, pero walang, may tea yata. And this is the shower area. Toilet and shower. Malinis. Okay, so, papahinga muna kami. And maya-maya punta na kami ng Lukban. abo ng mga duck. Oh, kain na kayo. Breakfast na. Breakfast na kayo. Mga ducks. Hi! Morning! Morning! Gutom na sila, oh. Tapos, stream view. Ganda. Papakain si Abo ng fishy. Disadvantages of bathing in cold ice water. For people with heart conditions like myself, it narrows the blood vessels of the heart and the body. So it is not that favorable if you submerge your whole body in the water. So in my case, it also increases blood pressure. In my case, I only submerge my body half. Yan, to cool down myself, but I did not submerge my body whole or dive into this very cold spring water here in Lucban, Quezon. So, we're gonna rate the Samkara Restaurant and Garden Resort here in Lucban, Quezon. So, Abu, ano masasabi mo dito in terms of yung kalinisan?
Itong man-made pool na
Pakita mo.
yan. Ang water source niya is spring, malamig, bukal.
Super lamig. Mas malamig pa sa ibang.
And malinaw. Tsaka ano siya, running, always fresh, always cold. Kaya kami kalahati lang kasi sobrang lamig.
Sobrang lamig talaga. Yung garden nila, talagang garden talaga. Maraming puno, maraming halaman, flowering plants, and meron silang farm animals. Meron silang mga bibe, duck, no? Ano pa? Isda, manok.
Meron silang kaya.
Tapos sa likod namin, may kita nyo, rice field. So, ano yan, parang masarap tignan sa mata kasi green na green. Today is Pahiyas Festival in Lucban. So, we've decided na wag na lang maki-join sa crowd kasi very obvious na today maraming tao.
Pero last night nandun kami and it was so
colorful, so festive, no? Yung mga bahay na nila dinecorate. So, it's very nice experience for us. Ikaw. Tapos itong, masasabi mo, overall of the accommodation.
So overall, magandang balik-balikan kasi lalo na during summer na sobrang init. Mag-enjoy ka sa lamig na tubig, sa nature.
Yes. We stayed in a
two-person bedroom. Aircon naman siya with our own balcony. But they also have here parang family villa kasi may group na mga family na may mga bata, may matanda. So this is nice. It's from Cavite. It's mga 3 hours drive. Very scenic naman. So 2 thumbs up. Another chubby travel here in Lucban, Quezon.
Garden na garden.
Kahit po nakaganyan yan, ano din naman po kasi malambot.
Oo. Maganda, oh.
Made from Lucban, Quezon. Polypropylene.
Polypropylene bayong made from Lucban, Quezon. Ganda. Ganun tayo, oh. Heart. Okay, heart.
Ang ganda naman ni Nene. Ikaw ba gumawa niyan?
Ikaw ba na gumawa? Siya ang
Suksok.
Wow. Anong pangalan mo? Say hi to the vlog, Rhea. Happy Fiesta!